Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you can't find any games on a Google Play Store in Cat S53. To do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and here let's try to find a Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no game that we're looking for. To fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, reveal family, enter parental controls, and right here you can either disable parental controls entirely with a switch or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code, click on OK, then insert the PIN code again, increase PG to 16 and save the settings afterwards. If you go back and try to find the game again, it should be available right here on the top and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.